Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you our only Bennington in stock. This boat will be available, should be around the 1st of August. It's a 2021 Bennington R swingback powered with a Mercury 300. Ocean blue with the blackout package on it. Very nice boat. It's got the graphite interior with graphite accent Simtex. Tri-tune, of course, ESP package. Let's climb aboard and take a look. Pillow top upholstery, fold down armrest. You got portable cup holders there. Got the upgraded stereo with an amp and a sub in this unit as well. Upgraded captain's chair. Of course, it is DTS, so it's digital throttle control system. The 9-inch Simrad, Rockford Fosgate head unit. This one does have all your RGB lighting as well. This is a swingback model. I got a 54-inch removable ski pylon. Nice flip back. Again, this is a 2021 Bennington 23R powered with a 300 Mercury. This boat will be available, should be around the 1st of August. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.